Well, hello everyone. My name is Ahmed Khamis. So we, as all colleagues, we are doctors, we are surgeons, and I just want to share my experience with the Rida Harbi courses. It all started in last December when I started to go for the MRCS Part A, and I started looking for courses and stuff like that. And I started to call friends in the UK, friends who are on the process for the Part A or finished Part A and on the process for Part B. And actually, most of them gave me a review for Dr. Rida, a very good review. And I decided to just go and take the experience with him. And it all started with me calling him that I can't log in. And then all the magic started to happen. It's been a long time since I studied. It's been really hard to go back and hit the books that hard. MRCS Part A really needs some effort from you. Even if you are a good surgeon and you can practice well, you have to hit the books, and you have to hit the books really hard. But with Rida Harbi, which was really amazing, he had uh, simplified every note, every subject that we as surgeons are really sucking in, like acid base. And I would really love to thank him. It really helped me a lot, even in my practice. The electrolyte patterns, the metabolites, the metabolic diseases that we all forget about. And definitely, let's go back for the subspecialty. Actually, I'm an abdominal surgeon, not transplant surgeon, but he really made the ortho really easy for me, urology, neurosurgery, and all the subjects that we are kind of away from the practice. And it really helped me in the exam. And by God's will, and thanks to Allah, I have passed with a score of 84. And I would really, really, really recommend Rida Harbi for you guys. Good luck, Godspeed, and I hope to see you all in UK.